Okay, so we're going to talk about polishing. So first of all, don't make it too complicated, but I want to distinguish between polishing and shaping. So we have these kinds of burrs, which I would consider more shaping, but they're not aggressive, right? So you can use this at the end to just get, the marginal ridge shape or just get that final shape. And then we have these kinds of rubber tips, and these are gonna give it that final polish. So you need both, but don't complicate it too much. Maybe just have a couple of these and a couple of these. With these fillings, they tend to be pretty small, so you shouldn't be spending a long time polishing anyways, but we'll go through the sequence so you can see. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to go to our rubber tips. I like to start with these big fat ones because I can really get it in there and kind of just, again, without destroying the shape of what I've created, just buffing it, right? Just buffing it. And these are on a slow speed, which I like because you can just take the time and it's not going to gouge your filling. So we'll just go through this one. And then these cup-shaped ones are kind of nice. Sometimes you can squish them like this to really get the edges, and if you need to get in between in the embrasures, you can as well a little bit. So that's, they just give you access to certain areas that these rounded ones don't. So you can just go a little bit with this and then buff it out with this, and then you should be done. Like literally it shouldn't take you more than a couple of runs on this. The shape matters really a lot more than whether you get this perfect finish. So unless you have like a really off shape, you should spend more time maybe shaping it first, but then you can use these final things to just buff it out. So we'll go this one first and then this one. And literally that's it. It's shaped correctly, it's smooth, it's polished, and now you just check your occlusion and turn it in.